Hi guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing of something I bought yesterday in Pop Mart. You might already know what it is, but it's what I think it's pretty rare. Drop below in the comments if if it is rare. But we're gonna do an unboxing of the Rock the Universe Rainbow Giant Labubu. Right, here we go. Let's get this open. Ooh, like in mini Labubu boxes. Gives you the cards, Rock the Universe Labubu. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. Oh, here we go. Yes. Whoa. Look at her. Look at that. She's massive. Like she's got rainbow eyes. Look at her necklace. It's got a little metal heart on it. It's got all kinds of colours on it. So that's all for me today. Bye guys.